In this video, I will teach you how to clean a washing machine from 0 to 10. So be sure to watch it till the end. Hi, I'm Sarah and welcome to my YouTube channel. To clean the washing machine that has dirt and stains, we only need a toothpaste and a lemon. Apply toothpaste on the lemon or the glass and then rub it with lemon. You can put lemon in the washing machine to make it smell better. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe our channel and activate the bell. To wash white clothes, first pour a tablespoon of salt, then tablespoon of baking soda and add some vinegar. This will make your clothes better and healthier. And the important part, if the inside of the plastic around your washing machine gets moldy or even gets dirty, you can add a little bit of baking soda to it, which will also affect the smell of your washing machine. I hope you guys found this video useful, and if you want to see more hacks like this, be sure to subscribe our channel and share your opinions on comment section.